Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Do you want that short haircut that brings vigor and freshness? Today we have those ultra short natural hairstyles that provides you with styling versatility, and those styles are cuts that will look so clean and draw attention to your facial features. Take a good look on this beautiful haircut, and I want you to see how the style really makes this woman look so younger. And one thing with short haircut is that it will always help to lift your face and give you that more affable appearance. I love this haircut because it's really incredible. It's a style that will give you that clean and polished look. You can see how the style is really a great way for you to look beautiful, especially if you're having those thin hair, and it's a style that really takes many years of your age. So this is a haircut for beautiful women over 50 because it's a haircut that accentuates your cheekbones and your jawline. So it's a modern haircut, trying to make sure the two sides are shorter and leaving a longer hair on the top. Why I always say that is because it leaves you room for styling experiment, when that mood always hits. So we have this short natural haircut that will help you to embrace your curls much better and take many years of your age. If it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.